Just wanted to say hey and show you what it's like in Toronto in the winter. Last night we just had a huge snowstorm, and if you look around, it's white everywhere. So look at this, there's a car stuck in snow. Look good. And yeah, this is my church. I hope I get to videotape a service for you so I can send it to you and you can watch it, because I know you've been waiting for that. So maybe in a couple of weeks I'll videotape a service and send it to you. And yeah, probably don't see much of this in San Diego because it's nice and warm and sunny up there. I mean down there, south of the border. So this is Toronto. Welcome to Toronto. Welcome to Canada. I hope you enjoy your visit.
Love was kept from me like a secret, and I swore that I was through until you, the city settled down. I want you as you sleep. There's a silent celebration for every breath you breathe. Now this all makes sense. You as company. I left all I knew and found a better part of me.
It's different from San Diego, eh? It's a lot of snow, it's really cold, it's about -9 degrees I think. So it's kind of hard to shoot 70 meters outside in this kind of snow.